Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can write your all the product name on the sheet using one click using AI. So all you have to do, you have to copy all of the name from here. So let's copy all of the name. Okay, so let's go to the chat GPT. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. So paste it first. So let's paste it. Let's work without log out, and let's click on over here, and then let's go again, not here. So let's go to my store again, and after that all I have to do, I need to go again to the store and then click the next product. I'm going to choose the next all the product, and once this is done, let's select this one, and then I will go to again here, and then I will tell ChatGPT, give me all the product title from here. So let's see guys, ChatGPT what telling us. As you can see, ChatGPT giving us all the product title from here. So all I have to do, just I need to copy all the product name, and then also I will ask, I want to confirm one thing, like I will ask, is there any product title duplicate multiple time have? So is there any product title have multiple time? Let's see ChatGPT what giving us. So yes, here is the duplicate product title, and okay, so that's the again thing. This no exact title appear more than once and appears twice. This is twice. Okay, so this is the two times have come here. So give me all the product title. Okay, let's see that if we search it, let's search it, and long short, this is the twice, so appears twice. So this is the long short, there's two version, this is also two version. So if I copy it, and then if I go to my store, so let's go to the store product, let's search it on here, then I will see how many products. Actually only one. So let's go here, and then guys from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, yeah, I have taken all the product, but my designer actually did one thing. He actually set up the sheet. So let me show you what sheet he set up. So currently he said that there have this product duplicate time multiple time have same product two times. So let's copy that, and then let's search it. So if I found this product two times, so I will check it. Okay, so let's go to store and Control F, and then I have to paste it here. So let me scroll down and then paste it here. So let me check, is this two time or one time? So this is only one time. Okay, so yeah guys, so all the product actually have a one time, but he said the two times. So let's check the sheet again. So let's copy this one and let's check again. Okay, so actually how many products do we have available? Let's see. So we have available product, like for example, let me see. So if I have to click on 50 product, and then also 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 57, 70, 58 product may be available so far. Let me check my client message, what my client said, and my client said that 50 messages, yeah, 80 cost price. Okay, my client said 80, but actually in my store actually showing 50 product. Okay, 80 product, so total product is, let's say, 56 product available in my store. Okay, got it. Okay guys, so I have taken the product, so I have to tell to my team member, and I will say that take the product title from here, and then find out the product price, because my client said to take the product price. My client said like all the product price use with competitor price, like product title will be here, and then competitor sale will be aside. Okay, so this way my client said to set up that. So all the product actually have been set up. So yeah, I will discuss with my team member, then I will fix this. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So how you can actually take all the product title at once using ChatGPT AI. So just I'm gonna copy the sheet. If I want to set up this product title in sheet, I just copy all the thing, and then I will paste it on one sheet, and this way guys I can set up that. So guys, that's pretty much it of our video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future whatever content you're looking for, let me know into the comment box. And thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.